Hey guys, welcome to the first video. What I'm going to walk you through right now is just creating a Noodle Tools account and how to get to Noodle Tools. Noodle Tools is where we'll do all of our research and we'll collect all the stuff that you've read. So in other words, you've got three major sources, sites that we're using. We're using Noodle Tools to collect stuff, Opposing Viewpoints to actually read the research, and then Google Docs to write the final paper. So let's take a look at how to find Noodle Tools. If you go to our school website right here, go to Students, and then ILC right there. It takes you to our Information and Learning Center. Under Research, right here is Noodle Tools. That's not working. Well, when that doesn't work, you can just type in noodletools.com. But since I run the website, I'll fix that link so that should work, okay? So you just go to here, Noodle Tools, and that link will work by the time you guys get to it. All right, so now here's Noodle Tools. It may bring you a screen like this that looks like login, or it may go straight here. Most of the time it goes straight here. And this is the box that you use. Access via G Suite Office 365. We have Google stuff, so you put in your school email address. And I'm going to sign in with Google, and you hit sign in with Google as well, and that'll basically just create an account for you. It'll ask you a couple of questions about like when year do you graduate, what's your name, that kind of stuff. Just fill in that. I can't show you that because I already have my own account. It's asking me which one I'm doing it with. I'm like, this one. Those questions are fairly simple. We're going to do that right off the bat, first thing, when you start in class. So we'll walk you through that little part if you get stuck there. Once you get past that, here's what you do next. You've got a project inbox. These are my projects that I've worked on in the past. You'll make a new project. You can pick MLA, Advanced, might as well. And let's call it Persuasive Essay. You could be more specific if you want. You see these are our lists of topics there. Let's just pick Artificial Intelligence. So we'll use that as kind of our go-to for all these videos. We'll pretend we're doing artificial intelligence. All right, we hit submit. So now the project is made, and you can see you've got a research question here, and then a thesis, main claim, hypothesis. So let's say we're doing artificial intelligence. We could say like, will artificial intelligence make life better? Because then you can answer it either way, and you're picking one of those. As you read your research, you decide what your answer is to that question. That's your thesis, and that's what you basically try to prove. And that's a question, so maybe we should use a question mark. Okay. And then you want to share it with the project inbox. That's how I can see your research. Share it with the project inbox. Mine calls myself Mr. Worden. Start to type in WORDEN. My inboxes will pop up. Right now they're not popping up because I am me, and it's like, well, you wouldn't want to share it with yourself. But for you start to type in Worden, and you just pick Worden 3rd hour or Worden 4th hour, whichever class you're in. So that's good. You'll say done. It'll ask you, do you want to share the Google Doc? Don't bother. It's fine. Just, you're good to go there. And then you've got your Noodle Tools. And the next thing we'll work on is your sources. But let's end this video now so we keep it short and sweet, and we'll move on to the next part.